Welcome to our video series on advanced features in Microsoft Word. In this video, we'll explain how to format text. In this video, I'm going to talk you through formatting fonts within Word. And when I say formatting fonts, perhaps I should really say formatting the text within Word and the different options you have available, including different font styles, different sizes, and bold or italics or underlining, plus more. So, of course, you can format existing text or create your own text just by typing. This is my own text. First of all, you need to select the text. So click, hold, and drag to select the text. Now, there are a number of ways you could do this. If you have the formatting toolbar, you can just choose the fonts here, and depending upon which fonts you have installed, you'll have a number of options. For example, here I have a font called Forte. And that's how that looks. And we can change the size in points. So let's take it up to 20 points. And if I want to change the font again, I can select it again and change it to something else. It's worth noting that your most often used fonts or most recently used fonts appear at the top of the list. Then the rest of the fonts you have installed are in alphabetical order. So you'll need to scroll through them to see them all. Okay, here, if we go with Tahoma, that's how that looks. If we select it again, let's take it down in size to, say, 16. So you can see it's very easy to select the font and change the font size. And if we select this paragraph again, we can make it bold. Or let's say, make certain words within it italic. Or even underline some words. And doing all of this through the formatting menu is very convenient and quick, but you can actually do it by a slightly more long-winded method that might give you more control. So let's select some text. Format, font, and here it brings up a dialog box, an options box, which gives you more options. You can scroll through the fonts and let's go with Arial, pretty standard, and it gives you a small preview here. Font style, regular, italic, bold, or bold italic. Size, let's go with 18. And you can change the color, and let's say red. You can even have different styles of underlining here if you so choose. There's single line and double line and thick line and dotted line, dashed line, and so on. Let's go with none for now, or rather, let's actually go ahead and use the double line. And then you can even choose underline colors. So let's go with blue. Then you have quite a few effects. You have strike through, which looks like that, as you can see, as if the text has been crossed out. Double strike through. Superscript, which is actually more apparent when you make a smaller selection, which I'll demonstrate in a moment. Subscript, shadow, outline, emboss, and so on. And there are even more options, such as character spacing and text effects, but I won't touch on those yet. So let's OK that, and there we are. So those are some more advanced formatting options for our text. Just to give you an example of superscript, if we type in TM for trademark, Let's select that and format, font, and superscript, and OK that. And there we go. That's how that looks. Obviously, it's more apparent when the text next to it is not superscript. And actually, if you just want to change the color of the text that you've selected, you can do so here. For example, pink. And that's how that looks. So that's how you can format the look of the text. We've been working in Word 2000, and now I've gone to Word 2003, and it's pretty similar as most of these things are. And again, select, and you can change the font. Let's say Courier New, and you can change the size. OK. And again, bold, italic, underline. And you can change the text color here. So that's how that looks. And again, if I were to select this, format, font, and pretty similar, as you can see. You can change the font, font style, size, font color, underline style, and all the effects as well. So that's how you can format the text within Microsoft Word 2000 and 2003 through the formatting toolbar and also through choosing the font option in the formatting menu.